What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Calirebuildables. You saw the thumbnail, so you know what this video is going to be about. I've been getting a lot of emails regarding the legacy plates. Your main concern of all the people that have been emailing me all the materials, stuff like that, are they easy to install, what kind of colors and stuff. Well, all the colors are on the website. I'll leave the link on the video description for you guys to check them out. Another question that you guys have been asking about, if the lettering's reflective. I did have the reflective vinyl back then. I don't have it anymore. Mainly the reflective vinyl gets purchased by the shops. I send a lot of kits to some of the shops down in Southern California, the LA area, and like a couple shops up north. So they do have the vinyl, the reflective vinyl. And the reason is because the reflective vinyl is a little bit more complicated to install. So I don't want to send you a kit with the reflective vinyl and that you're going to have issues with. So being that said, if you want the reflective vinyl, I'm pretty sure you'll find a shop that'll do them. Most likely I sent the vinyl to them. But it's better off that way. He'll do the installation. If he messes up, he's going to have to rewrap it. I think what they're charging, like I said, I'm not going to mention no shop names. I don't want to interfere with their business. But you're going to pay around $80 for both plates. But what comes with that, they're going to wrap it for you. They're going to install the lettering same day. And if you want it with the reflective vinyl option, you can get it with the reflective vinyl option. No headaches, none of that stuff. Through me, I stopped offering the reflective vinyl because of that. But if you go down to my link in the video description, you're going to find the black vinyl, the whole piece, the vinyl wrap, and then the lettering. You can get this in yellow lettering, white lettering, red lettering, and I can't remember what other color I have. The main colors, it's what I offer. The vinyl wrap is going to cover the whole thing, and you're going to cut around the month and the year. And after that, you're just going to go ahead and place them over. The materials that I use, like I said, is vinyl wrap. You could easily wrap the whole thing off. Cut these out. You place your new stickers when you get them. And if you're tired of that yellow color or white color, whatever color, you can also just peel the lettering off, clean it off, and install new color lettering. Which I get that a lot from people that are vinyl wrapping their cars. You know, they change the lettering pretty often. So that's that. I don't have the carbon fiber. I do have carbon fiber. I don't offer the carbon fiber to you guys. Like I said, if you got a little bit of experience with vinyl wrapping, this should be easy. The reflective vinyl, the carbon fiber vinyl, any other type of vinyl wraps, you're gonna be good at it. It'll come out perfect. If you don't have that, if you're just a car guy and like messing around with cars like I am, I'm pretty sure the thing's gonna be super easy. If you're not, you're gonna probably have issues. Not that many issues. Like I said, vinyl wrap is very forgiving. You could peel the lettering, just it was crooked, just peel it off, apply some heat, take it off, and reapply it back, straighten it, or do whatever you gotta do. So this is not my plate. This is a person that sent me the plate. I asked him if I could upload it to a video. It's okay with that. I usually don't get plates, you know, sent to me. Where I'm at, the actual post office, it's pretty far, so it's gonna be a hassle if I'm gonna have to go back and forth every day to get the plates and take them back. So that's the reason I don't do it. Mostly it's shipping, but I do in occasions, you know, do it. That's not something I want to do on a daily basis. Like I said, I'm gonna spend most of my day back and forth, you know, to the post office, but I do it every now and then. So I'm gonna get this plate. We're gonna wrap it black. He wants the white lettering. I'm gonna show you how it goes. I don't have the sticker. As you can see, I peeled the recent one because it was pretty stacked. I think the last plate that he had was 21, so he just got the, no, I think he was the 22, and he recently got the 23, and he wants to do the vinyl wrap before he applies the new plate, the 23 plate, as you can see. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna cut this piece out for you guys to see, and then when he gets the plate, he's gonna install his new, not this one, but this one. Okay, so let's start doing it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Also go to the shop, or you contact me through there if you have any questions. Also let me know if you want the carbon fiber wrap back. Carbon fiber wasn't one of the best sellers, so it stuck on the shelf for a long time and ended up doing like this. And even though it looks like this, the vinyl is perfect. I just don't want to send a vinyl that looks like this. Sometimes you might receive the vinyl with one of these little bubbles across like that, but like I said, it's vinyl wrap. It's easy. You just apply some heat and it'll go away. But this looks kind of bad. You know what I mean? Even though, like I said, you'll see I'm gonna be using this piece that I cut up from the bigger roll, and it's gonna work perfect. There's nothing wrong with the vinyl. Let me know if you guys want the carbon fiber back. I also have that honeycomb. I know some of you have been contacting me because I don't know why. Maybe the shop told you, the shops that sell them told you, you know, to contact me or something like that. But I no longer have the honeycomb one. I'll probably leave a video right here of a photo. That vinyl, I do offer, like I said, for shops, not to the normal person, not to you guys. I want to keep it the cheapest possible online for you guys, for the DIY, because I know you're gonna, you know, invest your time in installing them on your car. So that's why you save a lot of money. If you're gonna go get it at the shop, it's gonna run you around 80 bucks. So 30 something dollars for the kit. If you do it yourself, save a lot of money. So that's the reason. The more complicated vinyls, I tend to only send them to the shops doing them, because they got some, like I said, responsibility for those plates. If they mess up, it's not on you, it's on the shop. They'll just replace it and install the new one. So yeah, let's get to installing these guys. I'm gonna probably switch from my phone to the GoPro so you guys have a better view of what's going on, and see you guys in a bit as soon as I turn my GoPro on. Okay guys, so this is what you're gonna be needing. Of course, the plate, a glove, one of these, and a blade. Adhesion promoter. If you don't have a adhesion promoter, you just use rubbing alcohol. That'll work. This is to clean the plate before you install the vinyl wrap. Okay, so we're gonna start here. We're gonna wear our little glove. Then you're gonna get your rubbing alcohol. If you don't have a adhesion promoter, just get rubbing alcohol and clean the plate down.
Just give it a little scrub.
There you go. Now, right now it's pretty hot, guys. Like maybe 90 something. So I would recommend you guys, before you're applying any heat on the actual vinyl wrap, just set on the plate first and see how it goes, because if you're using a heat gun, you could easily burn a hole through the vinyl wrap really quick. So we're gonna go ahead and do it like this first and see how it goes, and then we'll apply some heat if needed. So just about pulling and stretching, guys. Basically that's gonna be the name of the game. As you can see, there are gonna be some bubbles. You are gonna have to work those bubbles out one way or another. If it gets too complicated with the bubbles, don't hesitate to get one of those pins and pop a little hole on it. That won't cause no damage at all, and it will definitely help your average DIY installer. So let's continue doing this for a little bit more and see how it goes. I'll probably have to apply some heat, but try this first before you even, like I said, start applying some heat, because it'll give you an idea of what to do and where's the heat gonna be needed and all that stuff before you go ahead and burn a hole on the vinyl wrap, guys. As you can see, this thing's starting to get a good shape of the numbers. And that's where the gloves come in place, guys. The gloves will let you glide over the plate a lot easier than if you didn't have them, than your fingers and your actual skin. So keep that in mind also, that without the gloves you may find yourself with a little bit more of an issue. Not an issue, but a little bit harder, or even maybe even impossible to do. I'm pretty sure it's possible. I don't want to, say something that's not true. Maybe there is people that could do them without the gloves. By all means, if that's you, go ahead and do them that way. I find the gloves easier, so that's the reason I use the gloves, and I recommend the gloves also because I find it easier to install with the gloves. Also try to work your grooves. I mean, work your, like, from the groove outwards, not towards the grooves, because then the air bubble is gonna get stuck in there, and you're gonna have to pull the vinyl wrap back off, at least on that section, and redo it again. I'll switch this thing around.
You can see, we're almost getting there.
Almost getting there, guys. There are gonna be some little bubbles that we have to deal later on, but the hardest part are the numbers, so that's, we're gonna continue trying to get the numbers. Okay, right now I see that this thing's in the way, so go ahead and cut the excess that you have. The ones that you're gonna order, if you order some, it's gonna be a lot smaller. They won't be that big, so you won't need to do a lot of trimming around it. You have to work a couple details like the corners and stuff like that. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Here's the plate. Like I told you, they look really nice. They look really cool, especially if you use the black and white, black and red, black and yellow. It's a carbon fiber. It's really hard to install. It's okay if you know how to vinyl wrap and stuff like that, like I said, but for your average DIYer, carbon fiber is a little bit harder than your regular vinyl. That's why I stopped offering it, and also because it wouldn't sell and I would get stuck with them and the vinyl would start shrinking and stuff like that. So that's why I only do in black vinyl wrap and the color that you need for the lettering. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to add more colors, let me know in the comment section also, or just email me through the Big Cartel Shop. And hope I answered most of you guys' questions regarding the license plate kits, and I hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think. Like always, subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys in the next one. And that's what they would look on a car installed. As you can see, they look really cool. They're not for that car. The real place behind it, as you can see, but just showing you how it would look. And honestly, you can't beat that black and white lettering. Looks so damn cool, guys. Let me know what you guys think.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video description.